What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is that time yet again. We have another mail call. Now, before we get to this, guys, if you're new to the channel, I definitely appreciate you clicking on this video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, which is down here in the corner, as well as the thumbs up. Let's grow. We're almost at 10,000 subscribers. And like I said, we will be doing a 10,000 subscriber giveaway once we hit that milestone. It all comes down to you guys. This is what the channel is all about, is sharing the collection and hobby and the passion that we all have. So let's go ahead and jump into it, guys. We got one package right here from Michael Wood. I'm pretty sure this is the card variation of the El Segundo Coupe, which we have right here. Now, if you guys don't realize that there are card variations to this, there's a silver bumper and this black bumper version, and apparently there's also a chrome and a black chrome version of the car as well. So with that being said, guys, it is very, very hard to come by, and I don't know if that's what's in here, but I'm pretty sure. And then we have one right here from Steve Zielinski. My man has sent some packages in the past, and my dude does send some awesome stuff. I have no idea what's in the box, so we're gonna go ahead and jump into the one from Michael Wood and see what's inside. Oh yeah, there it is, man. Nice. Check it out, guys. Card variation of the El Segundo Coupe. You can clearly see it right here. So if you look at the two side by side, you have the black bumper on card and then you have the silver bumper. Now, as far as the base variations go, it looks like they're both black chrome. I'm curious on why they changed it up. Let's see, what other things did they change up about the card itself? So it looks like this is a shade darker in silver compared to this one. I mean, they're both US cards, they're not international, so there's no difference between that. So you can clearly see one is E case and one is F case. So maybe it was an E case and then they changed it for F's release. Not too sure, but I'm gonna leave that up to you guys out there. If you have an E case, is it a silver bumper, or do you also find them in F case? Let me know down in the comments. But again, huge shout out to Michael Wood for this one. This is an impossible one for me to find. Every single El Segundo Coupe I find is the black bumper one. So huge thanks, man. That is totally awesome. You guys know I totally vibe with finding all the variations, whether it is card variations like this, which we haven't seen in a long time. They just started reincorporating that in the 5-pack for the Too Fast and the Furious variations. But then you see it back here on the older 5-pack where you have two of the same cars in the same series, but different card art as well. And Hot Wheels has been known to do that for a lot of different variations of castings and toolings. We don't know why. Maybe it's just for the collector part of it and the chase, which I thoroughly enjoy when they do that. And while we're on this, guys, I found a bone shaker, which is actually a variation, and it pertains to these right here. Now, these are one of the latest releases. This has the beautiful red metallic with the Team Hot Wheels awesome livery on this. And as I was looking at it, because I'm always looking for variations, check this out, guys. Two different oil pan and transmission castings for the base. You have a smooth one, then you have the more detailed version of the base right there. So I looked at this bone shaker, and then I also started looking at my other ones I have. So let's see, let's go ahead and jump right in here. So yes, I do have two more of these. It's only because they're also fender variations. But there you go, you got more of a smooth one, another smooth one, a little bit more detail. It's almost like they puttied it. It's kind of weird. But then let's see, you go into this one, you got a nice detail, but this one also has the drive shaft. They removed the drive shaft on the open tops, so you don't have the drive shaft anymore because you got the Hot Wheels flame there. Only the closed roof has the drive shaft going down the center. So there's a lot of variations, guys. When it comes to bone shakers, there's plenty of them out there. You have the fender variation. Now we have a base variation. Oh my gosh, it just never ends. And then, of course, with the El Segundo Coupe, we got the card variation. So awesome stuff right there, man. I definitely definitely appreciate you. Now we're gonna be jumping into the box from Steve Zielinski. So let's go ahead and open it up and get our trusty knife so we can see what's inside. All right, so with this box, guys, actually both of these boxes, I've had them for some time, maybe a little over a week now, but I've just been so busy and getting far behind on stuff, especially with the race video that was deleted. I gotta redo all that. We can finally get into this. So Steve and Mike, thank you so much for whatever's in here. And we can already see some heat, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh man. All right, here we go. This is number 10 of 12. What can this be? Oh, is it a Corvette? Oh, dude. Look at this, guys. The 1999 final run custom Corvette. Wow, that is beautiful. Look at the blue metallic in that paint. You got the co-molded wheels in gold, tying in the gold tampos. And check it out, you got them orange and red taillights with the Corvette badging. Beautiful white interior, final run, man. Oh, that is sick. So I do have my final runs. I have a lot of final runs here. I have a couple down there, and then I have the big box final runs down in there. So this is just, oh, that is the icing on the cake, man. Beautiful Corvette to add to the collection, but so sad to see these go, man. These are just awesome. And I can't believe they retired it, man. Retiring model of the custom Corvette. All right, let's see. Next up, looks like a first edition. Ooh, look at that. That is sick, man. You got a first edition Nissan Z with the co-molds. Dude, that is freaking awesome, man. That is an awesome freaking Z right there. Got that huge high-mounted wing. Love the chrome base, because it gives you the nice chrome exhaust coming out the back. But they did the red interior, so they were able to separate the two, utilizing the old school base where you can see the interior color through the Hot Wheels flame. Always been a fan of that. But there you go, man. This is card number 19 out of 2006's first edition. Wow, I gotta put this in a protector, dude. That is awesome. All right. Next up, we have a Mercedes-Benz 500 E-Class. Ooh, here we go. Second entry for the track. My man is throwing in the red Benz. Nice. Actually, perfect timing. That way we can redo all the filming and get my man on the track. So we'll go ahead and set that right over here. We're going to save this for last. Oh, actually, no, it looks like we can't. Oh, dude. He sent both. Oh man, look at this, guys. All right, so I do have this one, and it is opened. I bought it for $5 at a yard sale. And check this out, man. We have it in the original special edition 118 box from Maisto, the Mustang Mach 3. And just so you guys can look at it, I have it down here. Let's see if there's any variation between the two, except for the fact that this thing is has seen some better days. In case you guys want to see, since it's still originally strapped down, everything is closed. This is what is underneath. Look at this 4.6 liter supercharged motor right here. This is a dual overhead cam V8. And check it out, man. That thing is awesome. Intercooled, of course. But man, and now we have them both. Oh man, that is awesome. Not only that, guys, my man threw in the red one. The red Mach 3 right here. Look at this, dude. Oh, this is gorgeous. There we go. Mustang Mach 3 in red. Very, very nice, dude. Wow. And the fact that, I don't know if it's swapped or maybe it's just the way it's packaged, but it's facing the opposite way of the other one. Traditionally, it's supposed to face this way, but I don't care, dude. I don't care if this has been originally opened before or what, but man, we have it in red and we have it in yellow twice. You are amazing. Let's go ahead and put the yellow banana back over here. Really good find for $5 at a yard sale. So this thing has always been one of the things I love displaying because it's so unique of a Mustang. Let's see what else did my man put in the box. Uh-oh, we got a Texaco special. Oh man, look at that. Auto World's Miho exclusive, one of 3,600, beautiful 2017 S550 GT in this awesome Texaco race livery. Dude, that is nice. That is nice. Gosh, man, that is beautiful. Freaking A, dude. And I just put up all of my Ferraris, so I have room for this bad boy. Gotta love the Mustangs getting added to the collection, dude. You absolutely rock, man. Ooh, and here we go. We got some flying customs. 1970 Mach 1. Beautiful one. I do have a few of these, but it never hurts to have more than one Mustang in the collection, even though our man Eddie over at Simple Customs always has something to say about what I get in the collection. But I know my man is all fun and games, and he's just giving me a hard time because he's right. I do try to focus on the Mustangs, but then here we go, I find like some random car that I just think is too cool to pass up, and then I start going down the rabbit hole again. So I appreciate everyone trying to keep me in check with focusing on the Mustangs, which I have been. There's a whole bunch of stuff over there we'll go over in the next episode. Let's see, what else do we have? 1973 Pontiac Firebird out of the Flying Custom set as well. Beautiful purple metallic. I definitely dig these. Maybe we'll see this one on the track. Next two. Oh, here we go, man. Nice. Straight from the 90s. This is a Walmart exclusive, the 92 Ford Mustang Fox body in this really cool 90s themed deco. Got the beautiful blue metallic PR5s and a little bit of a cream pearl. So I do have this one. But let me just double check. But I'm like 99.9% sure. There we go. We have it right there. And you can see, well, this one's a little more cream than that one. But there we go. More the merrier, guys. More the merrier. Fox body for the win. And we have the 67 Custom from Flying Customs as well. Like I said, guys, more Mustangs that I have, the better. I don't care if they're duplicates. We can wheel swap this one, or we can race it. See how well these gold hot ones go. But beautiful 67, man. Ooh, and here we go. Final two. I actually have the first one, but not the blue. Check it out. Did not know they did a color swap. So this one looks like it's the first edition. Right here, out of the Stars and Stripes series. New Deco Mustang Mach 3. Of course, from Matchbox, you have the red stars on the hood and blue stripes, and then they changed it for the Superfast series and did the blue stars and stripes with the red stripes. Well freaking done. I wonder if they got a lot of crap for it, considering that they just had the colors wrong. You know, the stars always go on the blue Union, and maybe they got a lot of stuff about having it on the red with the blue stripe. I don't know. But you got the red interior and black interior. Never knew this variation existed. Never knew that, dude. That is awesome, man. Awesome stuff right here. Check it out. We got 4 Mustang Mach 3s added to the collection. Beautiful red 118, followed up by the yellow. And of course, the 2 variations of the Matchbox ones, which are very unique, especially this one. I've never seen that one before. And of course, that is what we got in that box, guys. Check it out. We'll go ahead and give it a nice spread over here, make it a little even. All right, guys, here we go. This is what we got in today's mail call. Well, actually, these boxes have been here for a while. So this is what we got in the boxes from Mike and Steve. Huge thanks, man. Beyond thankful for what you sent. Beautiful Texaco S550 to add to the collection, especially from Auto World. Then we got the 67 Custom from Flying Customs. We got the Fox body from Walmart exclusive, so Target, Walmart. Another Target exclusive, 70 Mach 1. Then we have the Matchbox versions of the Mustang Mach 3 in 2 different deco and color swaps, which I definitely dig. Then we got the Nissan Z first edition with the co-molds on there. Firebird. We got the final run of the custom Corvette, and the 2 beautiful 118 Mach 3s to add to the collection. My man. And then of course from Mike, we got the card variation of the El Segundo Coupe. Cannot thank you enough for that. So I'll have these 2 together. I'll keep them together because it's just card variation. I have one loose already. It is somewhere on the track. I've been racing it just to test out things, but we already have it loose. I got it out of a multi-pack, so there's no need for me to release these out of the card, just for the sole fact of comparing the 2 card arts like that. Other than that, guys, I have nothing else. Hopefully you enjoyed this episode, and of course, enjoy seeing this ugly and unique and just very cool futuristic Mach 3 that was released back in the 90s. I think it's just really cool to see. And of course, huge thanks to Steve and Mike for these packages, man. You guys rock, and let me know if you need anything. I will definitely start setting things aside. I have a box over here set aside for Sean. I don't know how many cars are in there. There's a whole bunch of cars in there. Box aside over here for other people. I got other boxes over here full of stuff. Yeah. So that is what we got. And until next time, guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.